Hello everyone. Today with new video on automation to extract the informations from the website. I'm very excited. Let me walk you through the video. It's a demo video as usual. It's a LinkedIn job scraping. So usually what we used to do is we go to the LinkedIn profile, pick it up the title what we want. So I'm taking here as an example credit analyst because basically I'm a credit analyst. So we type a credit analyst in the search box and the state or city name wherever you used to see it. If you take it as India, the entire list of states the job posted it will be taken into consideration. So an entire filter appears, so one by one you have to search it. Actually it's very good, that is how you have to do it in general, but just to save some time and to be very sure you are approaching the right job, uh, I'm using this method. So it is something kind of a saving automation, saving a time for you. So let me walk you through the code. I will show you how the code is built. I will tell you how the code is built. If it is something you require a tutorial, you can very well request it. I can make a tutorial on this if it is required. I have done it completely with the vibe coding. So if you could see the screen, I'm not sure whether it is visible or not. I was not able to zoom the anti-gravity. So now you have a list of codes in the left hand panel, and then in the right panel you have an agent which as you give a prompt it will start working. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell the agent to run this application along with certain conditions. So conditions what I'm going to give is basically a credit analyst as a job title, followed by years of experience and the freshness of the job which I wanted. Whatever the information you fill it in as an input in the LinkedIn website, the same input what you required you can give it. You can even additionally give it multiple combinations of uh, requests like credit analyst, financial analyst, or software developer. Whatever the input you needed you can give it. So what this will do is it will pass on the information. So it will try to understand the user input information, and it will start running the code based on the information what you give. So in case if there is something is missing, it try to develop itself, and then it will capture the code and it will start executing it. So now you can see it has just repeating what comment we gave, so just to be ensure the understanding is correct or not, and then it started running it. So you can see it in a while it will open the browser. I've already given my credentials in a JSON format. It will only pick it only from that respective folder. It won't have any additional access. So what this will do is it will open the LinkedIn page similar to whatever uh, steps we used to do it manually. I mean, I have preloaded the steps how it has to capture with the XPath. So whenever the website is designed, you will have a elements XPath. So I've given a certain XPath to capture uh, specific information. I will let you know what kind of information it is in a while. So now we are almost at the end of completion. So if you could see, yeah, it has given a comment perfect extraction is completed. So now what this will do is once all the codes mean information which is captured, it will store this into an Excel file. So you can see this in this folder. It has generated a new Excel file. So this Excel file will have a list of information. So there are almost 75 line items, so of which uh, yeah, majority, I mean there is no missing information here. So if there is any missing information, you can very visible you can see it. So this will capture job title, company name, company URL, location, time period, application type, whatever apply, easy apply, job source also it will capture. So what this will help is in case if you find any suitable job here, you can directly click that link and then you can apply it. If you want to reach out to hiring person, so it will also capture who posted this job, who is the hiring manager, and what it will also capture the hiring manager source URL. So in some cases you won't be able to see it, that is because they wouldn't have given the hyperlink. So in that scenario you can't do it. So in this case we do have a hiring manager information. He is Ayush Sharman. So if it is required, you can directly send a message to him about this job, if you find this job is suitable. Now we have the complete set of information about the job, but still, to make life easier, instead of reading each and every job description, so what I've done is I've created an N8N workflow. What you see is N8N workflow. So I've pasted the extracted information into the Google Drive. A reason being just for formatting purpose as well as for access purpose. If you directly take it from local Excel file, it's going to be a bit clumsy. So N8N works better with Google Drive. So I paste this information, the entire table which is being extracted, and what this will do is when I run this information, this will help me to score the model, score the job against my resume. So I have my resume in the OneDrive as well as this template. So this will read line by line about the job description, and then it will match against my resume, and it will tell me what is the best match for my profile. It will give a scoring between 1 to 10, 10 being the highest. I'm using Google Gemini model for better results. I've just switched from Olama to Google Gemini now, and I am trying to run the workflow. Yeah, it has to run from LLM. So yeah, if you could see it here, the LLM is trying to understand the job description. Whatever you see it, each and every line it will go through it. If I could see it, it is capturing the job description. It is reading my resume, and it is trying to understand it. It's trying to give a scoring model. The first loop is being completed. First line item has been completed. It has switched to the next one. So likewise it will keep running until your last page. So if you could see, you can see the number. Of course it's very tiny. I didn't zoom it. Sorry for that. So each and every row it will give you the number. It is capturing as 9. Of course you could see some differences, and certain line items will have 4, 3 depending upon weightages. So once all this is completed, uh, it will have a certain value for each and every job description. So according to that you can filter it, so you save a lot of time by doing this. So we are almost at the end of automation. You can see it in this Excel sheet. The last column will have a scoring model. So based on that scoring you can very well go and apply to the job. So this will save you very lot of time. Instead of doing it very manually, you can even apply to exact job which match with your profile instead of just randomly clicking. It also saves the recruiter time as well as your time. So that's it. Thanks for watching. In case if you need any kind of an automation, you can very well reach out to me. I'm doing it at a nominal cost for small businesses, uh, and for repetitive task if you find it any. So yes, so any questions, clarifications, please reach out to me. Of course I'm also in this learning curve in this AI world. Thanks for watching.